Rashtrapati Bhavan has rolled out a specially curated invitation for at-home reception to be hosted on Republic Day, placing India's northeastern heritage. All right, I will come back to this story, but we'll go again for INSV Kaundinya. Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal is addressing.
Crafted with traditional technique and indigenous material, this stitch vessel reflects the timeless strength of our maritime heritage, marked by skill, courage, and enduring innovation. The ship draws inspiration from 5th century vessel depicted in Ajanta cave and is named after the legendary Indian sailor Kaundinya, symbolizing India's timeless spirit of exploration. The voyage from Porbandar to Muscat retrace ancient trade routes that once linked India and Oman, reconnecting our past to our present. India and Oman's maritime linkages are thousands of years old. This water, once traversed by our ancestors, continue to unite us. Our bilateral relations, guided by our Honorable Prime Ministers, have scaled new heights with the signing of CEPA and an MOU on maritime heritage and adoption of joint vision of maritime cooperation, among others, during his visit to Oman in December 2025. In the last 11 years, under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, India's maritime sector has undergone a historic transformation. Cargo traffic at major ports have increased by 52%, reaching over 1,594 million metric ton. Cargo moves through inland waterways has registered a remarkable 700% growth, and the number of operational waterways has expanded tenfold from just 3 to 32. The strength of Indian seafarers has doubled, now crossing 3.2 lakhs. In the cruise tourism sector has grown 4 times, signaling India's emergence as a modern maritime hub. The upcoming National Maritime Heritage Complex at Lothal, Gujarat, envisioned and guided by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, is another proud symbol of our renewed national confidence, where our rich maritime tradition will be preserved and celebrated for generations to come. Friends, I also appreciate the Indian community in Oman, especially those with ancestral ties to coastal trade, for nurturing these bonds across generations. The ambitious publication, Mandri to Muscat, is a timely recognition of their legacy. Let us continue to build on this ancient friendship with renewed vigor and shared purpose. Thank you. Long live India-Oman friendship. Shukran, just a and. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Thank you.